Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim Reza, and today I'm going to show you how I made $29 without doing nothing. So let me show you. First of all, I got a email from Citibank PLC, which is my local country's bank, and this is the BDT 2936. Okay, so this is actually the payment of $29. So when I got this email, then I didn't know I will get it. Okay, so I checked my bank statement and try to find from where I will get this payment. Okay, so then I will check my statement and I will got a Lemon Skis account. So I will open and got this $29, and if I go on the payout check, you can see this lemon squeeze actually send me the payment through the Skin Studio tools. So basically what I did, okay, so actually I used this green screen studio tools. It's a screen recorder tools for Mac, you know. So this is my actually the YouTube channel, and if I show you the studio, then if I go on the content and if I show you my video description, you will see every video description I will provide wise tool I am using to making this video. So it's actually I try to put these details on the every video. Okay, so this is my link, my screen recorder software, which is Studio, and this is actually the affiliate link that I got it from the Lemon Squeeze. Okay, so if I show you the program, you will get a lot of tools on there, but always I try to promote this tool are very essential that also use for myself. Okay, so that's why I applied the affiliate link and I copy and paste it on my video description, and when someone click on that link and bought the tools, and there's time actually the lemon squeeze will give me the commission. So this is actually the affiliate marketing. So if you have a YouTube channel or any platform that you are love you love to make content, then affiliate marketing is for you. You can join lemon squeeze and you can make video and just simply go on program and try to get some affiliate link and just make related video and put that affiliate link on your video description, and when someone purchase through your link, you will get the commission. Guys, this is a very little amount. I'm agree with you, but just think, I didn't do anything extra for this. I just use one link and put that link in my video description, and I didn't know I will get the payment. So this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. Like it's a you can make money when you are sleeping. So that's why I recommend you guys, if you also a beginner, you can start affiliate marketing. And here you can see this lemon squeeze actually send me through the Stripe account, and my actually in my lemon squeeze I connect my Stripe account, and Stripe account will send my money with my local currency. So that's the procedure you can follow, of course. And that all for today, guys. If you found this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Always I try to publish this kind of useful video that I am also using for myself, and I think your little inspiration will help me to continue working on this channel. So thank you very much. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.